Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Look at the display of returns. What a nice return desk. We got some dunks over here. We got a dunk high, but this one's a little different. It's black and white with the off-white or the sail midsole. Not sure how y'all feel about that one. And then they also got these dunks here too with the canvas camouflage. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Check it out here on the women's side. They do have this dunk here. Let me know what you guys think about this turquoise colorway. Not too bad. Gum outsole. 1 to 10 scale. What do y'all think about these in the comments below? New style Air Force One. Different colorway. 110 on the retail. Cop or pass. Invincible Run flying in for the ladies. 180 on the retail. A little bit much. The colorways are cool though. Out of the two, which one do you like more? They got these Air Force Ones, which we saw at the other store. These are definitely on point. And mids. And then we have these over here too, the crafted mids. New colorway in the Air Max Plus. This colorway is not too bad. Let me know what y'all think about this one in the comment section below. Remember these? I'm the one that came out. I thought they would have a little more buzz, but nobody cared about them. All of these right here on the table are returns. Even this dope low. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Definitely fire. It's gonna wrap it up at Nike. Pretty good selection there as well too. Let me know what you guys feel like is the highlight. Got a couple more stores to check out, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Stopped by Adidas to see what they had on deck. Nothing but some NMD human races. What do you guys think about this one? $220 on the retail. So let's go inside Dick's Sporting Goods and see if we can find anything worthwhile in here. Dick's Sporting Goods, of course. Dick's Sporting Goods, of course, can be very hit or miss here at Dick's Sporting Goods. So we're just gonna go check out and see what they got for sneakers, basketball, running, and all that other stuff. So as we get a look at the basketball section, tell me what you see, tell me what you see. We got a few things to talk about here today, ladies and gentlemen of the Nike basketball fanerage or supporters or wearers, whatever you want to call it. And we got some Adidas here too. Let me know what you guys think overall about this selection. Basketball selection is getting wider and wider each time I come, which is a dope thing. Let me know what you guys see off the wall that you guys would hoop in. First, let's go ahead and dive into these. We got the KD Trey 5, what, 10? Yeah, KD Trey 5 10. This is the black and gold colorway. This is KD's budget model. If you did not know, retails under $100, which is $94.99. $95 for these. Let me know what you guys think about this colorway. This is a bigger size. Almost gives me a Zoom Freak vibe, if you will. But that's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Has the Zoom Air and does have some Nike Renew, as you guys can see on the back. Give me your overall thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. We do have the KD Trey 5 10 in another colorway, gray colorway. I don't know if this is the colorway we saw at the last location or not. I feel like it is. But what do you guys think about this colorway? In the comments below. Kevin Durant's budget sneaker. We got Kyrie Infinities. We got Giannis's Immortality 2, along with the Kyrie Fly Traps in a few colorways. LeBron 19 lows. Once again, another colorway of the LeBron Witness 6. This is that Kentucky blue colorway. Fire colorway for these, man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. The blue ones or the red ones, which one do you guys like more? The white ones is cool too. They got a few colorways of the Witnesses, the Kyries, KDs, PG6s over here in 2 colorways. Pretty good selection here. Lucas. Then we got these Zion 2s. Haven't quite seen this colorway for the Zion 2 just yet. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. Or white with the gold and gray. Definitely not bad. What do you guys think about these? Seen these in a few colorways, or maybe 2 colorways. What do you guys think about the Air Jordan 37s? What do you guys think about this colorway? not too bad. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This Dick's Sporting Goods have a lot of the Jordan lifestyle. What do you guys think about these? This colorway is not too bad. Not really familiar with this shoe though. $79 on those. I'm telling you, some of the colorways in this silhouette, this model is actually dope. They got some good materials on here too. Also got that translucent situation going on. What do you think about these? This colorway for the Ultra Boost 21 is kind of different. $189 on the retail. That boost is just crazy. And then they got some of these, the Free One 5.0 with like a fly knit, I believe. I think this is pretty nice. The colorway is cool. Very, very light shoe. 99 bucks on the retail. What do you guys think? Plenty of lifestyle and running sneakers for you to choose from. Really just depends on what you're looking for. I can go through 50 million of these shoes, but some of these things you guys might be seen before. If you haven't and there's a colorway you're curious about, go ahead and ask in the comment section. Next time I come here, I'll check it out for you. But they got a lot of different flavors of different shoes that you guys see. All these 270s right here. We've been seeing these Ultra Boosts in many different colorways. We've seen the floral print up here. We've seen the floral pattern on the boost. Now we got another one with the gold boost with the kind of like multicolored pattern on the outsole. Definitely. And it matches the sock liner. Pretty nice. The DNA textile, I guess. Maybe that's what this one's called. Let me know what you guys think about these Ultra Boosts in the comment section below. Women's running shoes galore, from the Brooks to the New Balances. This colorway kind of stands out to me a little bit. I like the color pattern on here. Pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. $134 with the fresh foam tech. Not a bad colorway for the ladies. You know, let me know what you guys think, of course, in the comments below. Like the red on here, how this red pops on this infinity fly knit. These are pretty nice. What do you think about these in the comment section below? Kind of like a Curry Gravity. Okay. I haven't seen these before. Colorway's not too bad. $99 on these. So we got red and blue. Kyrie Infinity in red, Kyrie Infinity in blue. We got the LeBron Witness 6 in red and blue. Which one you guys liking more? Just a little sideshow. Look at the apparel, is definitely on point right here. They're taxing for it though, $155. I feel like this is this year's warm-up or something like that. This thing is actually pretty fire though. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. As you guys can see, they do have some Clipper apparel over here as well. This Dick's Sporting Goods has Lakers and Clippers, as all of them do. They got the jerseys here, full retail $120, Mitchell & Ness for $54. They even got the old school like Darius Miles and stuff like that with the jacket too. Very dope situation here. A lot of different Clipper hats, but these guys are full price, 34 bucks, and that's a snapback. We got to get a black Clippers hat at some point. Here's their jersey selection. They got Mitchell & Ness, they got new stuff. No Carmelo Anthony, man. That's unfortunate, bro. What they gonna do with them jerseys? You know what I mean? All different type of Laker number 6. What's he gonna wear next season? With Bill Russell. Jersey being retired around the league, I would assume that's it for the number 6 jersey for LeBron. So is he going back to 23 or what? But overall, you guys see what it is here at Dick's Sporting Goods. A lot of selection and stuff here for sports and apparel, or for sports memorabilia. If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, of course, and don't forget to subscribe if you did. So indeed, that's gonna wrap it up for my time here at Dick's Sporting Goods in the Glendale location, Glendale Galleria Mall. Let me know what you guys think overall about everything you saw in this video. Great selection of sneakers as always. Let me know which one you guys are liking the most and would cop for your own collection.